Welcome to another video tutorial by MilesWeb. Click on the subscribe button to get notified for our latest videos. How to add signature to your hot webmail account via cPanel. To access webmail account, log in to cPanel. Click on email accounts in the email section. A list of email accounts currently active on your cPanel will appear. Click the check email button to add a signature to your email account. It will redirect you to the webmail interface, where you can set up signatures within your webmail client. Add a signature in HOD interface. Open the HOD interface. Click the gear icon on the top right of the interface beside cPanel Webmail Home. A menu will drop down. Go to Preferences and click on Mail. A list of preferences for mail will appear. Click Personal Information in the General section. A form will appear where you can customize the personal information of your webmail account. Enter the email address that will use this signature in the Your From address text box. Type the signature in the text box above the Save Sent Mail option. You can go for a pure textual signature, or you can also add an image to it. Click the image icon from the toolbar. A window will pop up where you can upload an image. Click on Upload. Click on Choose File to browse for the image and click on Upload. The image URL will appear in the URL field. Click on OK to upload the image in the signature. As you can see, the signature will now have text as well as an image. Click on Save. A message, "Your preferences have been updated," will flash. It means you will have successfully set up a signature for your HOD webmail account. Click the gear icon on the top right of the interface beside cPanel Webmail Home. A menu will drop down. Go to Preferences and click on Mail. A list of preferences for mail will appear. Click on Composition in the Compose section. A form with the composition settings for HOD mail will appear. Set the default method to compose messages as rich text HTML. Tick this option and click on Save. The next time you compose an email in HOD, tick the HTML composition option before typing the mail. It will start composing the mail in HTML, which is why you will see the signature you set for the email in the box below labeled Signature. In this way, you can add signature to your HOD webmail account via cPanel. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. If yes, then hit the like button. For any technical questions, you can contact us on this email ID. Do follow us on other social media platforms.